ever wondered what makes a hill different from a mountain? Or how do these gentle landforms come to exist? Well, you're in the right place, because today we're talking all about hills. So what exactly is a hill? To simply put, a hill is a piece of land that rises higher than everything around it. Unlike mountains, hills are usually smaller and less steep, but they often have a summit, a high point where you can get a pretty great view of the landscape. Hills are easier to climb than mountains, which is why people love hiking them. And while there isn't an official difference between a hill and a mountain, earlier hills were considered to be that anything under 1,000 feet. But that definition was dropped a while ago, so now it's a little more flexible. Hills form in different ways. One common process is faulting. This happens when the Earth's crust moves and shifts, pushing land upward. Over time, hills formed by faulting can even grow into mountains, just like the Himalayas, which started as small hills and are still growing. Hills are also shaped by erosion. Bits of rock, soil and sediment get washed away by wind or water, sometimes wearing a hill down or even creating a new one. Erosion is like nature's way of constantly reshaping the land. Glaciers played a big part in hill formation too. When glaciers move across the land, they carve it up and deposit material in new places. In fact, some hills were worn down by glaciers during the Ice Age, and others were created by the sediment they left behind. One cool type of hill formed by glaciers is called a drumline. These are long, whale-shaped hills that you can find in areas that were once covered by ice. Pretty neat, right? But there are other types of hills too. Take buttes, for example. These are steep-sided, flat-topped hills, often found standing alone in the middle of a flat area. Tors are another type, made of rock formations that sit right on top of a hill. Humans have been living on hills for thousands of years. Why? Well, hills offer protection from floods and give you a better view of the surrounding area. Great for spotting any would-be invaders back in the day. Ancient Rome, for instance, was built on 7 hills for that very reason. Did you know there are also man-made hills? Yup, sometimes people create hills for different purposes, like monuments, skiing, or even just for fun. Some famous man-made hills include Silbury Hill in England and Grizzly Peak at Disneyland. So, whether they're shaped by nature or crafted by humans, hills have always played an important role in shaping our landscapes and lives. Next time you're out in nature, take a moment to appreciate the quiet beauty of these little bumps. Thanks for joining us on this adventure, and until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our world.